Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Yeah, lighting is good here. Very nice. Hello everyone and welcome to MK Tech. Before I get into this vlog, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click on that subscribe button below and become part of the MK Tech team. In today's vlog, Orest and I will be installing a prototype wiring harness for a new control system on a 2018 F-150. This will be happening all at Roush facility in Livonia. Join us today as we head to Roush, set up our working area, and dig into this project. Let's get this day started. Orest, you excited about today? Always, yeah. What you got in your hands there, bro?
Nourishment.
Nourishment? Daily vitamins?
I got a package.
Oh. Haha! Got ya! Like a sparking spot.
I'm harder than me, trying to talk it down. But I'm drunk as right next to when you walk is talking.
Let's go inside, bro. Let's roll. In 2009, these were the first rollers that I ever did a drive cycle on, and started my OBD2 demonstrations. These are the rollers. Brings back memories. 9 years ago. 9 years ago. He's getting better at it, Kevin. Game plan. I'll start with the rear harness. Orest is under hood. Undercarriage is done. One thing I realized today, that it's actually hard for me to do a vlog while I am full-time working, because focusing just on what needs to be done and trying to do a vlog at the same time, it seems easy because why don't you just record what you're doing? But there's so many things that I can't show, I can't talk about. A lot of the stuff is confidential. I can't even show my surroundings that I'm in right now. Only thing I can show is the back garage, but you should see what other cool things are inside. Brand new Mustangs, all equipped with all these testing equipment. It's cool. The next dyno cell over there, where they do the emission testing, that thing is just beyond awesome. It's like a $10 million cell. The rollers are huge, but I can't film it. So what do you think, Orest? We're done?
So,
Yeah? Great. Ooh, this is our last destination for today. We are at Racing Tech. Check out the color of the building. I love the color of the building. Look at that. It's just that perfect coloring. I love it. So we're here to see Fabrizio to finalize the wiring harness that we installed. Gonna go over it, and that's it, man. We're gonna call it a night as soon as we're done here, and I'm gonna get into my little room and start editing this vlog. Fabrizio, you wanna say hi?
Hi everyone.
Thank you for having us here, Fabrizio.
No problem, guys.
Whew. Finally, I'm back where I started, and it's 10:06, and our day is finally over. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Please comment below. Good night, guys. Peace out. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.